Hey, what's up, guys? We have a Volvo here. We did the linker unit. Basically, he wants to be able to remote start it anywhere in the United States. And if somebody breaks in, he wants to receive the alert on his phone. And it also comes with GPS. It comes with the remotes, but you can do everything from the phone anywhere in the world. You don't need an... I want to clarify this because a lot of people think you need a hotspot on the van. on your truck, or you have to go to your cell phone provider and do anything. This unit, it's a standalone unit. It connects to the linker server. Has nothing to do with you don't need a hotspot inside your truck. You don't need an extra router from your provider. You don't need to touch. We don't care about what phone provider you have. It has nothing to do with any of that. The unit is strictly connected to the server, and that is it. It's $39 a year, but you do get the first year for free. Okay. I'm gonna go over the app. I'm gonna hit lock. Okay, that arms the alarm on the truck. I'm gonna hit the disarm. That disarms the alarm on the truck. That tells you the voltage of the actual truck, the battery in the truck, and the signal of the unit that's installed inside the truck. I'm gonna go ahead and remote start it. Okay. It's going to run for 30 minutes, and we gave this guy the diesel delay. That way, it turns on all the all the functions in the car and goes through all the cycling that the truck needs to go through. And now it's going to crank up. And that turns off the unit. Okay, this is the location. It comes with GPS, like I told you. All right. Basically, we're based out of Miami. Don't ask me if I know anybody in your home state. I do not. If you want this thing installed, you're gonna have to find a load in Miami, and it takes 2 hours to do it. And then you can, once we're done, you can get a load out of here and go to Jacksonville, whatever you got to do, and pick up another load somewhere else. We do not know anything about your home state. We don't know any other shops over there. In fact, I don't even think too many people want to even get involved in these type of trucks. So if you want this type of system installed, you're going to have to find a load in Miami. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and arm the unit. This is the remote control. I'm going to hit. I can do it from here, or I can do it from here. You do it from the length of a football field. From the phone, you can be even out of the country. I'm going to set off the alarm, and you're going to see the alert's going to come in. Okay. See right there? Okay. That's the alert. If you have an Apple Watch, you can even they even have the app for the Apple Watch, or you can even arm and disarm and get the alert, remote start everything from your watch. The same thing is here, and it actually works pretty well. If you have an Alexa or Google at home, you can even download the skill for your Alexa, and in the morning you can even tell Alexa to remote start your truck. And it's really nice. You can do it while you're walking in your room and brushing your teeth or whatever, or you can just grab your phone and do it. I do have it on my personal vehicles, and I do have the Alexa, but I always forget. I always either do it from the remote or I do it from the app. But I mean, if you're one of those tech guys and you like toys, you can always download the skill on Alexa and do it from Alexa. What else can I go over this thing? This thing will run for 30 minutes and it will shut itself off. Say you have an issue that your battery dies a lot in the truck and you don't go to the yard that often. You can always remote start the truck from wherever you are and let it run for 30 minutes and it will shut itself. Or if you want to shut it off any quicker, you can hit the stop. Or otherwise it would just turn off by itself, and then when you go back in the app, you're gonna see zero run time. This is the temperature inside the vehicle. Right now it's 62. We're in Miami. We're in February. It's really odd to be this cold. Normally we're up in the 80s. But yeah, so today was one of those special days. As far as the picture and the actual app, the company doesn't have this for this particular vehicle, the Volvo truck. So we went ahead and selected his personal car, whatever. You know, you can leave, you can put whatever you want. So basically that's it. If you have multiple cars, you can click on the garage here, and then you can have the list of different vehicles, and you can switch from profile to profile. Okay, and then I highlighted to make this one his favorite, which he only has one, but that way when the app opens, it opens up automatically, and this one as a default, which is the only truck he has. And basically that's the phone operation side of this particular system. Again, to arm it is here, disarm it, and twice here the remote start. The reason why you got to press twice on the remote, they don't want to make a happy trigger in case it's in your pocket, you don't accidentally hit it if it was only one time. So they make it 2 times, that way it's more safe, that you're not going to remote start your truck whenever you don't want it to. I'm going to go ahead and open the door, and you're going to see it's going to fire off. Okay. He got the alert again. Okay. Then it has a sticker that we always put on to let you know the truck has remote start and whatnot. Just like this other sticker, you know, it looks very commercial, it looks nice. Basically that's it. This is the unit installed in this Volvo. We're based out of Miami. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. We thank you for watching this video.